welcome to today's vlog. I'm in Sheffield, Alabama, about to cross the bridge into Florence, Alabama. I just wanted to do a quick video of a little park right here on the Tennessee River, right here beside McFarland Park. So I thought I'd do a quick video and show you guys this neat little park. So check it out. We're about to go across the bridge right now. Oh wow, there's a barge coming down the river right now. How cool is that? We're about to be down there, right beside that area where he's going to come by. So I'm about to get off this exit here. The exit, but I had this right here. Alright, we go under the bridge here and then up and around, and then we'll be entering this neat little section of a park. I'm not even sure really what it's called, but we'll do this right quick. Make a little maneuver here, and we'll turn on this first road right here. It's Claiborne Lowes Drive. Fishing bait place right there. When you first come in the park, it's like a baseball field. And we go right past the marina. I'm not sure if this is a different section or just part of McFarland Park. I guess it's just part of it. But it's a neat little area that really doesn't get much traffic, I don't think. This is the way you would go down to go to the restaurant. They have a restaurant down here. So there's the marina. Wow, some monster boats out here. Maybe I'll cruise through that parking lot on the way out. The main place I wanted to show you is this little sitting area down here. I'm going to try to turn this microphone around. Okay, maybe the audio will be a little better. Got the microphone facing the right direction for me now. So this is kind of where the area starts that I really wanted to showcase. Wow, there's a swing over there. Lady in a swing. So it says open summer hours, 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. I don't know if you can see that sign there. They do have a gate where they can gate this part off, but you're basically going under the bridge. So see, there's nobody even down in this part. There's a nice little playground area there. Somebody out there fishing. Wow. So neat little turnaround area right here. And there's trails. I've ridden my bike out here before. And there's also, you know, it's like a walking trail. Let me get parked here and I'll get out and show you around right quick. Okay, so there's the bridge. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's really a nice little recreation area. Oops, I fell down. They've got a sitting area. Nice big playground with a padded floor. So there's a nice little banner. You can pause that. So it's Shoals Rotary Club's Star Play at McFarland Park. So there's the Tennessee River, right on it. Really nice area. Swings around, a lot of road noise, but I think the beauty drowns that noise out. So yeah, really nice little park, Tennessee River, beautiful. There's a train track, old train track that stops. Looks like an old bridge or trestle or something. There's my vehicle right there. Oh, we got a guy fishing here. Beautiful. Incredible. So this is the trail where it starts. I'm not going to walk down it right now, but that trail just keeps going for a ways, I think. And I'm not sure exactly what this is. This is some kind of walking circle. Really not sure what it is. Maybe somebody out there might know what it is and leave a comment for me and let me know. It's concrete, it's divided up, and it has like a start and finish down there. Not sure what the purpose of this is, but maybe so many times as a mile or something, I'm not really sure, but anyway, pretty neat, really nice area, and I'll try to tag on going by the little, not little, but the marina with those big huge boats here in just a second. So I'll click back in when I get over there.
Interesting. It's just as I suspected. What do you mean, sir? What do you see? Well, this beat is going to drop in 4, 3, 2, 1.
Try to get in that little parking area. Let me go down here and I'll swing through there so I can get a better view of them. Right there where that guy just went in. So I can come back the other way. That would be the wrong direction. Let me turn around. I'm sorry. Wrong way. Can't do it that way. Boy, you can smell the fish. Wow. Okay, I'll do it this way. Maybe you can get a good view from this view. The bigger boats are coming up here in just a second. Here comes a few of the big ones. I guess those are probably considered yachts. I mean, they're monstrous. River Bottom Grill. Stanfield's River Bottom Grill is the name of that. That building right there. So yeah, right here's the boat launch area. So anyway, I just wanted to show this little park and show how cool it is here. It's a beautiful place. So if you like this video, please give me a like and ask comments, questions. I'll answer them. And if you like the videos, please hit subscribe for more videos. And this is Brett with Rural Overlanding Studio, and I'm out.